guys, I hope you love this ultra-futuristic luxury RV. Tell me in the comments which feature impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insane luxury creations like this. See you in the next one. Hey guys,
Imagine pulling beside a highway and discovering a rolling mansion worth $65 million hiding behind one Kenworth cab. Today we're stepping inside a breathtaking luxury motorhome inspired by elite custom craftsmanship, and every floor raises the stakes. Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which feature impresses you most, because upcoming luxury RV tours only get wilder. Stay with us because the final reveal changes everything. The first floor welcomes you with an ultra-modern lounge wrapped in premium materials, oversized seating, warm lighting, and panoramic windows that make every stop feel like a luxury penthouse. Every detail appears carefully planned for comfort without sacrificing practicality. Nearby, the spacious kitchen combines sleek cabinetry, generous preparation space, integrated appliances, and elegant finishes for travelers who appreciate both style and function. Around the corner, a refined bathroom emphasizes clean design with quality fixtures and smart storage. Then the master bedroom creates a peaceful retreat through soft textures, expansive windows, thoughtful lighting, and impressive attention to comfort. Completing this level is a dedicated office where productivity meets relaxation, proving that working remotely can still feel exceptional. Nothing seems rushed because every space flows naturally into the next. Even simple moments like enjoying coffee or answering emails feel elevated. While this floor already feels extraordinary, the next level introduces wellness, entertainment, and surprises that completely transform the experience. Keep watching because the second floor reveals unexpected spaces most viewers never imagine inside a motorhome, and one room might become your absolute favorite before we're finished. But don't decide yet because the journey is only accelerating. Every doorway hints at another unforgettable reveal, making each transition feel cinematic rather than predictable. Take one last look around before climbing upstairs, because the atmosphere changes dramatically the moment you reach the next level, and the surprises keep coming without slowing down for a single second from this point. Stepping onto the second floor immediately shifts the mood toward personal comfort and lively entertainment. The massage area feels intentionally calming, encouraging relaxation after long drives across America's scenic highways. Nearby, a dedicated medication room keeps important supplies organized and conveniently accessible, reflecting thoughtful planning for extended travel. Fitness fans will appreciate the gym, where staying active becomes part of everyday life instead of an afterthought. Just beyond, the laundry area adds practical convenience, helping longer adventures remain comfortable without constant stops. The minibar introduces a social atmosphere, offering a stylish place for refreshing drinks and relaxed conversations. Guests are welcomed into a comfortable bedroom designed to provide privacy without feeling disconnected from the rest of the motorhome. Then everything changes again as the dance party club transforms the environment into an energetic gathering space with dramatic lighting and room for celebration. It feels surprisingly spacious considering everything already included below. Every new room expands the feeling that this custom build values both everyday living and unforgettable experiences. Yet the greatest surprises remain untouched because the top floor combines family spaces, advanced technology, breathtaking views, and one unforgettable finale. Stay with us because the highest level completely redefines what most people expect from a luxury motorhome. Before we head upstairs, ask yourself whether any RV you've ever seen balances comfort, wellness, entertainment, and practicality this effortlessly. The answer becomes even more astonishing once the final floor opens before your eyes right now together. The third floor begins with a cheerful kids playing area where younger travelers can enjoy dedicated space instead of competing with every shared room below. Nearby, a couple's private room offers quiet moments away from the activity, creating a peaceful retreat within the larger layout. The Sky Lounge captures attention through elevated views and an inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing as changing landscapes roll past. Close by, the Smart Technology Control Center brings key systems together, making everyday operation feel organized and intuitive. The men's kit area adds another specialized space, showing how carefully every corner has been considered. Then comes an indoor swimming pool, an unexpected feature that instantly becomes the conversation starter of the entire tour. Finally, the rooftop deck delivers the unforgettable finale, surrounding everyone with open air, panoramic scenery, and the feeling of standing above the road instead of simply traveling across it. Whether parked beside mountains, coastlines, or wide American deserts, the experience feels equally memorable. While custom luxury motorhomes like this can vary significantly depending on the builder, the craftsmanship and thoughtful layout clearly explain why enthusiasts remain fascinated by these extraordinary creations. If you enjoyed this full tour, subscribe now because even more remarkable luxury RV adventures are coming soon, and the next one may be even more unbelievable than today's experience. Thanks for watching, share this with fellow RV fans, leave your favorite floor below, and we'll see you in the next unforgettable luxury tour.